Alright guys, so now that we've made our footer, we're going to jump into creating some content with this. I've got a few pictures and I've got a few fonts that I like, and I'm going to be basically recreating the JG Games website in this course. So, I'm going to go to my homepage because I don't want to put any content on here because this is the homepage. So, I'm going to add some text. So to do that, you click this button right here, or you can hit the T key. I'm going to... Text in Muse is weird, you have to drag. So just draw a box. I'm going to type JGN Games. And then we're going to go into font. So I'm just going to drag across. We go to the font, which is about 60. I'm keep it on Arial right now. And now I've got a picture that I want to use for the logo. So I'm going to draw, the best way to do this is to draw a rectangle of how big you want this image to be. You can hold shift down so that you can keep your aspect ratio. But first we got to get the aspect ratio right. Now I'm going to scale it up to about right there. Now I'm going to go to fill, and rather than clicking on right here, I'm going to click on the text. I'm going to go to add image, and it's going to take you to this. I have a image of the JG Games logo. And you'll see that it does this. So then I'm going to go, and on this position, I'm going to set it to the center. I'm going to go here, scale to fill. Either of those work for this image. And now you'll see that we've got a picture on there that's got transparency. Now this image does have transparency, so if I go to browser fill and I set this color to red, basically everything that's not an image will be red, and you'll see that it is transparent. So that's nice. I want to position this though, because if you notice on our website, and there will be a link in this description, or whatever, there'll be a link in my profile, it's white, and I'm just using this one because the browser fill is white. I'm going to change the browser fill to black, and I'm going to change this image to my white out image. So I'm going to go here, image, logo white, there we go. And now, on this text frame, I'm just going to change the fill to white. And that's if you wanted to do something. I'm going to actually hit the text, and I'm just going to click 3 times so I can get this text. I'm going to go here, white. So now I can see this on my background. Now, I want to make this to where it looks good. It stands out to viewers. Well, JG Games is a really simplistic thing. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to fonts. And I'm going to scroll down until I find Helvetica New Light, because I really like that font, and that really fits our style. So I missed it, and I missed it again. Helvetica New Ultralight. No wait, I think I selected, yeah, Ultralight. Now I'm going to go over here to my bar, click on text, go to, and just put that smack dab in the middle. Now I'm going to adjust these bars so that we have as much space, as little space as possible. Alright, so that it fits and I can see exactly where it ends. Now, you can also use your arrow keys to adjust where the position of an object is. On our website, I have this text 5 pixels below the image. So, I can click on the down key 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will put it exactly where I want it. Alright, so now we want to center this, but how can we center this? So, I'm going to hit shift, and I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to drag, and you'll see that guidelines start to appear. You can go across, and there's the middle, and I'm going to put it on this guideline right here. Actually, on this guideline right here, and that will be where it goes. I am actually going to scale it up, and I just remembered, and so there's one problem. Fonts are weird with, in every other software, you can use whatever font you want, but there's something weird that goes with this font, Helvetica New. It puts this little image down here. That means that this will be saved as an image. So if I go to preview, and I say check preview connection and stuff, you'll see that this is an image. It's not text where you can copy and paste it, it's just an image. So the reason I chose Helvetica New is because I didn't see a web font that I really liked. If you have Creative Cloud, you have access to all these things called web fonts. And web fonts are basically fonts that if I select this one that I've used on my other website, Able, Now we can select the text, but I didn't want to select the text because this is going to go over a background video. So I just kept it on Helvetica New Ultra Light. So that's basically adding basic content to your website.